If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Apple ID, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted subscriptions and prevent future charges. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and subscriptions. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This will allow you to view and manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In your Apple ID settings, find and tap on Subscriptions. This section lists all the active subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Browse through the list of subscriptions and select the one you wish to cancel. This will open the details of its subscription. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the subscription details page. Confirm your choice when prompted to stop future charges. By following these steps, you can easily manage and stop any recurring charges on your Apple ID. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore Apple's support resources for more assistance.